accomplished. Look at it coming in like a hero of war. Hi, welcome back to Inspiring Flights. I'm Stone, and this is the second part of our A-10 restoration. After many days and many rainy days, we are back with the A-10. The rockets are successfully mounted, and there is a water balloon in this bomb bay. It's time to fly and time to do our epic bomb dropping mission. Let's get it on with. All right, so I had to switch receivers and switch transmitters, so I don't know if it's trimmed out. It's really big, it's very nerve-wracking, but it does fly good mostly. Could be a colossal wreck. Let's get it up in the air. Here we go. I'm gonna have my brother throw it, and here we go. Here we go. Whoa, that was sketchy, but it's up. It's always a blast to fly. I got a lot of weight in here, almost flying at full throttle. Whoa. And lots of elevator. All right, here we go. Watch the baseball netting. This thing is just a blast to fly. One more loop and we're gonna drop the rockets first, and then another loop and we're gonna drop the bombs. I hope you're ready for some explosions. I got my finger on the switch. We're coming around. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop. Oh, that's epic. But I didn't even see where they went. All right, here we go. Here comes the balloon. And then we're gonna bring it in. A little bit lower for the balloon. 3, 2, 1, balloon. Oh, it's always great dropping things. All right, let's bring it in for landing. Here we come. This thing just like soars. It's really amazing. In fact, I'm actually gonna bring it into the wind. Got a bit, it's a bit breezy. I always love flying this thing. I haven't flown it in weeks or months, but it is always epic to fly. It glides really incredible. Wind, that was the wind. Oh, pretty. All right, let me go see if I can find those rockets and maybe we'll do round 2. I don't know. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so that last one wasn't very close, so I'm gonna try and get a closer one this time around. Whoa, the baseball net does not make it helpful. I am about to lose battery, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ah, that's pretty. Gort. All right, and then here comes the balloon right over us. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. I love that sound when it hits. All right, let's bring this baby in for landing. Our mission was accomplished. All right, our mission to pull this out of the hangar, restore it, and send it on an epic bomb drop mission, rocket drop mission was accomplished. Look at it coming in like a hero of war. Oh, that was pretty. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 50 subscribers. Thanks to you guys, and have a great day.